we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced words in English, words that have silent letters. So, yes, let's clear things up for you. In this word, the letter H at the beginning is silent. So, the British, in British English, it is said as honest. You do want to stress on the first syllable, but no irritable, audible H. Honest. In American English, however, it is usually said as honest. A bit more open R sound in American English, but still a silent H. Honest in American English versus honest in British English. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.